what we got going on today. Got to make a few more raised beds for the boss. So I got, these are 2 by 10 by 12s. And these are the size, so they'd be about 3 feet, 3 foot wide by 12 foot long. We went and scored the stuff at Menards, our big box store in the area. And I'm just gonna make a couple. And then I got some stuff for the roof here. This was actually like for the chicken coop, but I used some of it on the roof because my run got destroyed. So that's all I'm doing. And I'm putting on high speed and just make it work and move it around the yard as I'm doing it. But so I'll put those together. These are gonna help attach all 4 corners, maybe 2 in the middle, and just for some extra support, and maybe put my waters on it. It's all a mess in here, and I'm a little late, but I got pop-up sprinklers. So I used to run all the sprinklers in the dirt, but then we busted a couple of heads off. So now I just made these haven't been glued yet. But so then I'll just attach it up to the top, and you just screw your garden hose right to it. And these are 180. So you just gotta, once you figure it out, you just twist it till you find where it's hitting your garden, and you can pop these up anywhere on fixed items, and they work great. And then you just move your hose around, and they work awesome and stuff. So that's what I'm doing. And you know, waiting on some beautiful eggs for dinner. Yep, it's a breakfast dinner night time. Eggs and hash browns, and the kids are out there playing on the junk pile that's got to get out of here with the truck. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'm gonna high speed it and just keep grinding. Thanks, guys. I'm only gonna do one real quick in real time, because I'll edit it all together. You know what? I wonder if I'm gonna do this. Oh, it feels like it's raining.
It was earlier.
It's raining right now. That stinks. My saw out there, everything. Go figure.
Mom, you gotta do the balance thing. You gotta.
Hold on, I have to hold this for Dad.
And then we get one more piece here. To level them up real quick. Keep the bottoms flush. Yeah, put yourself maybe. All right. Hey, you want to stick that down on that end under it? Give me a sort of it. I like it, man. I like it. This. So these ones I did 2.5 feet, and the rest of them are 2s. So these will be a little longer, or one of the sets is. I'm not sure which. You know.
Bella,
What?
that didn't go so well, did it?
No.
Good start. Thanks, baby. I'll check that out. Good deep. So we'll see how these hold up compared to the, you know, other ones. Yeah, again. Same thing.
Can you let go?
What? I only got that off the ground, so it's a little leveler. I mean, you get through the bottoms up.
There was a screw right here.
I know, but I need a couple more. Because I whack mom, that would not be fun. She would be very sore. I got you. You ain't nothing's gonna happen. I'm teasing.
I don't really feel like getting wet.
No, definitely not. Yeah, we're gonna spin this one out a little bit. Like that one. Hey, where you got that screw here? Hold these, would you? Thanks. Well, let's open it up, babe.
What do you want?
Like an angle like that because I want to.
What?
I just want to square like this. That's all. Want to drive one in, babe? We'll put them down right here, Bill. More. These screws are better than nails. They won't walk out like they might over time, but yeah, it should. It'd be a lot better to bites it with the teeth. Want to try bells? Coming in this side. Let me get it started.
Yeah.
All right, let's get it started. Watch out. All right, hit it. Hold it trigger. Keep going. Nice. Want to start one, or do you want me to get it started?
You.
Okay. All right, nail it in all the way. Hit it hard. Cut up. One more. Drive it in until the head sits. One more. One more bump. There you go. Nice work. All right, let's drive a couple more in. And then we can always come back to. At least we'll get the start and I'll come back and nail it. Here, girls, pick that one out of there.
What?
Starters, get that out of there. And then Bells, get this one. This is my middle piece for this to drive them in.
Do you need more screws?
Yeah, bring the whole bucket, babe. So, I'll probably do the same thing with one of those. I'll get some corners under it, you know. What I'm trying to do is, all I'm doing is making the bottoms flush because we're not in the garage, you know. Let's go right there, baby. So you guys can see what we're doing here, team effort. Mama's killing it, Bells is killing it. And we'll just run these normal. We doubled them. This time we're just being not, but a 12-footer, I mean a 12-incher or 1-footer, we shaved off 175 bucks. That's how it is right now. It sucks. So I was gonna go just 1 foot, like a 2 by 12 by 12, and we saved 175 bucks not doing that.
Yeah. I don't have full.
Hey, you got screws, Scarlett. Don't do nothing with them. What is that? Glass?
Yeah.
Parkour.
Is that gunshots?
Where is it? Let's go in.
It might be you guys. Sounded like some gunshots off in the distance. Gotta love it. America.
This morning, someone, I think,
Jimmy?
I think, no, like, as soon as I got up,
Oh,
pretty sure Dustin was shooting at something.
cool. Well, we got it.
I
So I'm just doing this in the middle because the wood will have a lot of pressure. I mean, the dirt will.
I heard four bullets go off.
Did you?
Yep.
It's so wet.
Hold this, please.
I won't
Hey,
whack
give
it.
me a
It's
screw.
bad.
Give me 2.
Bad, I won't whack it.
And we'll do it on another one. Let me do this. We'll hear what y'all else.
This one seems.
All I'm doing right here is. You see another one? I'll take it. Juiced.
I can't do it.
Could be. What did we pay for this wood? Since we got the one with 10 inches, like 350. Somewhere in there.
No, that was less than that because it was like. 400 before.
Yeah, I thought it was 580, but we had this other stuff. You guys can do this in a city lot and have lots of vegetables. But thanks, guys. Now I'm off high speed. Well, we got our 3 new beds. I got that one over here. We'll add them up. All I got to do is get some dirt and then hook up the sprinklers up here in the middle. We'll get to that later, but at least they're banged out here. And these ones I did 2 feet 6 inches or 5 inches, and that one I did 2 foot, which I should have did them all at 2 foot. Yeah, that one I did at 2 foot too. So this is the tall one. At least I put it in the middle. It actually looks like it's meant to be. But I'll run a couple more screws. So I only got 2, but I could come out and bang all the corners out real quick on it. And then, you know, it'll be good. But I put the one in the middle, help with the pressure from the wood, from the dirt when we get some dirt in there. And I'll fill it up to the, you know, I'll fill it up to the top. But as you can see, I doubled them on the other one. And there's my sprinkler. There's my sprinkler, you know, that I made like in the garage and stuff. They work great. That little thing worked great. I got some like banding strap on it. Had the old ones, but they broke for some reason. And so these are easy to do and you just hook up your stuff. But yeah, thanks guys. If you were thinking about it, you absolutely should make them. You can't go wrong with the way the economy is. Growing your own food, especially if you live in the southern state, you could have freaking vegetables almost all year, especially if, you know, put them on a greenhouse and do it like this and stuff. But you could double them, at least with the way I did it. I could put another 10 inches or an 8 incher up there and I could have 2 if I didn't like the 10 inch. But thanks guys, talk to y'all later.